This is a used 2009 Dodge Ram 1500. Grab life by the horns. Powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.7-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include digital audio input, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control, split rear seats, a trip computer, an MP3 player, privacy glass, air conditioning, power door locks, power windows. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Bill Collins Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 4220 Bardstown Road, Louisville, Kentucky 40218.